surely okay.
Okay. I will isolate this one, huh?
I can even isolate all engine also, no problem.
Or I can even switch off this one.
You see, if you isolate all engine, then it's only one time.
Okay, yeah.
Hello guys, so ngayon magmi-maintenance tayo ng oil mist detector para sa mini engine namin. Grabiner yung maker nito, kaya tara, samahan ako. So bawat cylinder mayroong isang sensor. Tatanggalin natin to, mamarka muna natin to para madala natin sa workshop. Dahil mayroong address, so hindi siya pwede magkapalit So yung device na to nagde-detect ng mist sa loob ng cylinder bilang protection na rin sa makina. Meron itong slow down interlock tsaka shutdown sa main engine sakaling may ma-detect siya na mist sa loob ng crankcase mismo. So malagang malinis ito para wala siyang pulse detection na maaaring ikaka-shutdown o ikaka-slow down ng makina. So dapat nasa magandang kondisyon ito parating. So yung assistant natin, yung engine cadet namin na yan, South African, siya yung katulong natin sa paggawa niyan.
So guys, maglilinis tayo nito. Oil mist detector to para sa main engine.
Yeah, it's supposed to be this one, but it's dirty. I don't know who put. Oh, yeah, the ones.
Okay.
See what's opening. Some rings.
Already dirty?
Now throw this one.
But how many more?
Only this happening.
Ito kailangan linisan. Ito maliit yung ito siya. Clean this one. It's the optical.
Oh, yeah. What is that?
It's the optical sensor.
It's supposed to be shining the lights, right?
Yeah. It detects the moist. It's like an infrared.
Oh. So inside there's a light.
Yeah.
For deflecting.
It doesn't. If it doesn't reflect, then it means that there's something blocking. Can you take the other one?
Which one? Down there?
Yeah. Do you know this chain?
Which chain?
You know on the other side?
Yeah.
There's also two of them.
Oh yeah, there are also two of them.
Can you take? Do you know how to take?
No, you need a ladder for that.
Oh, you need ladder.
Yeah, you need a ladder.
But this one doesn't have a... This new one.
Doesn't have dust.
Yeah.
Because of this one.
Oh, this one's finished.
Because of this one.
Maybe this is the new one.
Yeah, maybe this is another thing. Yeah, all of them they don't have. Only this one.
But the number? What's the number?
Number 3. Number 3. Oh, number 3.
So nilinis natin to lahat at ibabalik na natin ito pagkatapos natin assemble. So kailangan din nating linisin yung sampling tube na to dahil may butas yan dyan na maliit na dyan dumadaan yung sample So kailangan walang barayan dyan para tuloy-tuloy yung pagkuha niya ng sample. So dapat malinis din siya. So kinabit na natin ito, so dapat properly tight din siya para wala siyang leak at yung sample na makukuha niya yung sa loob ng ano. So pagkabit natin ito ng power, dapat may indication na green ano. Ibig sabihin yan, okay siya ang functioning system, kasi pag may alarm dyan magbiblink yan. So hanggang dito na lang guys. Maraming salamat at ingat tayo parati.